In Los Angeles, California, the BatteryEVO manufacturing team puts in the hours every day to manufacture, test, and assemble off-grid solar battery solutions. At BatteryEVO, we're all about empowering Americans with the most cutting-edge energy technology at the lowest price on the market. To make our products, we process hundreds of lithium-ion cells at a time. We're not just about manufacturing, we're about innovation. We create battery systems unlike anything the world has ever seen, blurring the line between electric generator, electric vehicle, and heavy-duty machinery. Whether it's an all-terrain battery tank like the Komodo, an all-in-one home power unit like the Walrus, or one of our lightweight cart batteries, we put in the work to give you the most reliable lithium systems with a longer warranty than our competitors. That way, you have the most power over your energy use and the most power over your spending. At BatteryEVO, we're about hard work, we're about surpassing limits, and we're about American energy independence. Thanks to our location, we're able to support U.S. manufacturers and do our best to stabilize prices amidst the global economic situation, creating American jobs and pushing American innovation. We work hard, and we know that you work hard too. So don't give your solar energy back to the grid. It's your power. Keep it.